Hey besties, so I got the camera out, so you know what time it is. It's time for another vlog. Tell me why I haven't even uploaded the Japan vlog yet. I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna definitely upload all the parts before I upload this vlog, but I'm so excited. So this time we are going to Africa.
She got style, grace. She got attitude.
So we are at the airport. We got all checked in the TSA pre-check, and now we're heading to our gate. There was literally nobody here, so it took us like 30 seconds to get through security and everything. I ended up bringing only one roller bag and one book bag, and then my fanny pack. The roller book bag is like one that is a personal item that you can bring on the plane. I did not check any bags because we have had reports of people like having their stuff stolen out their bags, so I just didn't want to deal with it. So I didn't do that. I'm really excited. We're gonna meet up. We're gonna have one more member join the crew for this vlog. Her name is Imire. She also works with me at the company that I work at that's going on this trip, and we're gonna meet up with her at the gate. So excited. See you guys soon. Hello everyone. This is my uncle. Uncle Quinn. He's been working. How long have you been working at Delta?
Too long.
18 years. He's working here. He's telling us all about South Africa. So what's your tips for traveling to South Africa?
Take plenty of pictures. Have your phone and or device charged up. Make sure that you have plenty of water. Take snacks wherever you go. And just have fun.
Yep. We are. All right.
All right.
See you later. How do you feel? The flight is 15 hours to Japan. 10 hours. Yep. What a good sign. What the other side? Any other thoughts about the flight? I'm excited. Okay. She's tired, y'all. Yes. When Imire comes back, I'll introduce you guys to her. She just came and dropped her stuff off. But the flight attendants just got here. We're gonna board starting at like 8. We'll start boarding at like 8:50.
No, 9 o'clock. It's a 9. Well, they'll probably start an hour early because they got to check passports.
Yeah, so around like 9 o'clock we'll start boarding and stuff. It's 8:20 right now. We got here at 6, so we've been at...
But we done bought the whole airport.
We got here at 6. It took us 30 seconds to check in and another 30 seconds.
A minute.
Okay, excuse me. A minute to check our... We didn't even check bags. It took us a minute to go through security, and we've been in the airport since. But, you know, we made it. We did get some salads for the flight because some of the snacks that they serve you on the plane are good, but the actual food is not that good. So we got some salads. Yum. And yeah, so we'll record when we get on the plane and everything. I know this is going to be an experience to remember. So yeah. Do you have anything to say?
I cannot believe we're here. It's such a wonderful trip. We didn't see this long.
This was the flight path.
One more time. I just need to brush my teeth.
Okay, Mom. So we started here in Atlanta, and we were all the way through the Atlantic Ocean. Landed in Johannesburg. The flight time was 15 hours.
March 27th, I believe. Oh no. Sorry, it's March 28th. I forgot we're a day ahead now. It's March 28th, it's Friday, 8 a.m. and I just got up. I slept really well. I was surprised. Well, actually no, I wasn't, because I was tired on the plane. You know, I slept on the plane, but it was airplane sleep. It wasn't like a good night's sleep. So I slept pretty well. The bed was so comfortable. Amazing. Intercontinental, hands down. Beautiful hotel. Staff was so friendly. I slept really, really well. I'm gonna go down for breakfast. Our flight leaves Johannesburg at 11:30 a.m. This was just a long layover flight. The layover was about 13-14 hours, but we needed to take this rest. I mean, you know, it was a non-negotiable to get a hotel overnight. So glad we got this. So yeah, we're gonna head back to the airport, but first I'm gonna go down to breakfast and get some coffee and like kind of wake up. I can tell my body is still thinking it's like 2 o'clock in the morning in Atlanta, but I'm up, I'm refreshed, I'm ready to go. So we are headed to Victoria Falls. I'm very excited for Victoria Falls because that holds one of the wonders of the world. It's the largest waterfall in the world, I believe, and it borders the countries of Zambia and Zimbabwe. So I think this is going to be an amazing experience. We're staying at a very glamorous, luxurious tent on Victoria Falls. All of our experiences are included in the tent. Meals are included. So I'm just so excited. And this is not even like the end of the trip yet. Like we still are going to volunteer on a Rhino and Elephant conservatory. How crazy is that? You know, like life is just so good. Life is just so amazing. I'm just so thankful to God that I have been able to have these experiences, being able to travel with my mother as an adult and just spending this quality time with her. It's something that money can't buy. And I'm just so thankful to have this experience with her. She's been having a great time. She was very nervous about getting over here, but you know, like I told her, like once you get over here, because I was nervous about Japan, but once I got there, I was just like, oh my God. This is amazing. Like I have to come back. I wish I would have stayed longer. Like, and, you know, now that we're here, it's like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. The people are so friendly. It's not as out of this world as I thought it was going to be. They're people like you and me. They have their own life set up, you know, like, and it's not difficult to get around. People are so nice. Like it just was overall a great experience getting here. And I'm happy that she's having a good time. So I know the trip is just going to be just one to remember, and I'm just so happy I could do this with my mom. So yeah, so I'm gonna head to breakfast. I'll show you what they have downstairs. Oh, let's do a fit check for the day. So this is a very casual trip, y'all. This is not a dress to impress trip, to let you know now. But I just have on a white top, I'm sorry, pink top, some gray pants, and sneakers. I'm probably gonna throw on like my fuzzy coat or my fuzzy like jacket over top just 'cause it's a little chilly. It's like 60 degrees and it's just warm and cozy. So yeah, this is a fit for today. Here, just regular, child, just regular. Okay, all right, we'll check in later. Bye. made it to Elephant Camp here at Victoria Falls. We're on the Zimbabwe side. This tent is beautiful, okay? The tent is so beautiful. Our view is very nice. We did have, let's chit chat outside. Come on, guys. We did have a bad experience at the airport with customs. I've been to a lot of countries. That customs line was ridiculous. Ridiculous. They are still, it's the 21st century, and they are still writing out receipts, writing down like your information by hand. It took forever, okay? Forever. Took us 2 hours to get through customs, and there wasn't that many people there. Like, it wasn't like it was thousands of people there. Like, it was a normal customs line. It took us 2 hours, and that really ate up the time because we could have did another activity here at Victoria Falls, but we were at the airport, you know, so it just was unfortunate. But anywho, I'm not gonna let that ruin my day. We made it here. It's beautiful. We're about to go on a canopy tour of, I think that's how you say it, I might be saying it wrong, but we're gonna go on a tour where they have drinks and stuff and different things to see, which is really exciting. So we get to see some different animals and just explore what Victoria Falls has to offer. Really excited to go do that. We also had lunch, as you saw. Lunch was amazing. So yeah, excited to take you guys along. Bye.
Blue wildebeest. Blue wildebeest, they are gregarious. Mixed males, females, and babies. And they are predominantly grazers. So they came down here because over here when you look at the grass, it's dry, but here they still have green fresh grass along the river.
Good morning, besties. So it is Saturday, March 29th. It is like 5:15 in the morning, pitch black outside. We're getting ready to go on a game safari drive where we're gonna go like look at the animals as the sun rises and everything. So I'm coming for me to get dressed. We just woke up. Meet time is at 5:45, so we have like 30 minutes to get ready.
How beautiful is the river?
Is that a hippo right there?
Yes, that's the hippo.
Wow.
The one there.
Where? Oh, wow.
The river.
Zambezi.
Yes, Zambezi River. Then on the other side it's Zambia. They are equipped with upper and lower incisors. Yeah, so they injure each other in terms of fighting when they are wrestling, especially when one male is challenging a dominant male. So usually their prime time of being dominant is about 6 to 8 years. So
Okay, try. Let's see how you can do it. You go ahead. The best that you can do when you approach her is for you approaching them. Unfortunately, she's walking away. Don't worry, let her walk away. Come and meet the big boy.
Ooh. Speak for yourself. We all of us like. Oh God. Oh my God. We are on the cruise.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Like their orange drink. I forgot what it's called. Hey guys, so we are here in Harare, Zimbabwe. We took a flight from Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe, over here to Harare. The flight was about an hour and a half long, and then we got a taxi, came over to the hotel. The hotel was about 15 minutes away from the airport. The flight was really, really nice. It was a small plane, you know, not eventful, which is good. And then we took a taxi over here. We're staying at the Hyatt Regency, Harare. It's very nice. The city is beautiful here. The city's beautiful. The people are beautiful. I've just really enjoyed my time here so far. Let me give you a view of outside because I think it gives a good description, kind of what Harare looks like. It did rain, so it's a little gloomy outside, but like there's a park down there. Event day. We are heading to Imire, which is the main portion of our trip. At Imire, Imire is a elephant and rhino conservatory, and so we're gonna be volunteering there, going to rural Zimbabwe, getting to meet some of the locals, and doing a few other fun things. We're gonna be there for 7 days. The drive from here to where Imire is about 2.5 hours. So our guide is gonna take us up at 9 a.m. I'm sorry, 10 a.m. I'm still waking up. 10 a.m. Back at the airport, so we have to check out of the hotel and go back to the airport. Take us about 2.5 hours, and then we will be at our destination and start our volunteering, and we'll be there for 7 days. So the remainder of this vlog portion is going to be about us in Imire and the things that we're going to do there. It's been a great trip so far, just interacting with everyone. The professionalism has been great here. The activities have been great. It's been nothing like I've done before. I definitely will be back here, so yeah, we'll check in later. Bye. Thank you.
And Angelica and Angela, is that right?
Us too. Yes.
Okay, and then Amira and...
Yes.
Right, let's get your bags in here and we'll get you down.
Where'd you get my hot pocket? Ooh, I grab it. Got everything? Oh, thank you. Ow! I hit my head. Yes. Oh, we hop up this way.
Okay, it was a right.
Got it? Can you get me hopping up? No, support me.
Anything else?
Oh, thank you.
But I put it down there, then I...
Just leave it here.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
I'm donating funds. I had Cisco he did a fundraiser.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, so they're gonna be matching it. So I guess I'll find out how much. But I did too.
Hey guys, so we made it to our tent where we'll be staying for the next week. This is it. Let me show you, give you a look inside. I thought I heard something. So we have 2 twin beds. And stuff to hang our clothes, more blankets up there, then a full bathroom. With a shower. Yeah, nice window. So pretty out here.
They are such a nuisance sometimes. So annoying creatures.
You call them Pumbaa?
Because of the Lion King.
Okay. The Lion King.
Yeah, warthogs, yes. Which one you are off? Come on. There you go. You're off.
She don't seem interested today. The warthog or puma is ready.
Oh, yeah, oh.
I don't think, no. So you have to touch her head.
Yeah, come on, guys.
Put your hand up and throw it in.
Yeah, you can touch your face. Touch that upper lip.
Oh, beautiful.
You're not supposed to be called black rhinos.
Cute little thing. Hello.
I love how naturally curious they look, just like turning their head.
Yeah. It's a pretty eyelash.
I know.
You look good today, friend.
No curlers there.
Oh, she's peeing. That's a big old pee. Oh my God. Wow. Look at these. What's that?
Hello.
Here they come.
They can kick with their front legs and their hind legs as well.
So we are walking to go meet one of the elephants. The giraffes is like as tall as me. It's like 5 feet tall. It's amazing.
We saw matopos running towards us with elephants. So Mark pretended as if you were not seeing him. The matopos started fighting with Mandevu, Mark's wife, and sadly, Mark was like, "Why are you fighting with my wife?" So he left us. Then he started pushing matopos behind a termite mound. He was like, "I'm not going to do this in front of clients." Mark is a very respectful guy. He is a very respectful guy, I'm telling you. And and then behind that mound, we heard a speaking sound. Like, and then as we went around to check, Mark had lifted Matopos up like this.
No way.
With his trunk.
With his tusks and the trunk holding onto him, and it looked more like a big wrestling match it looked as if Mark was going to throw Matopos down and then squash him. And the handlers begged Mark, no, please, let Matopos leave just this one time. Mark was like, okay. They put Matopos on the ground, and we thought that was all. And then the other day, Mark was just, by the river, just drinking, playing in the water, enjoying himself. And you know what happened?
Yeah, of course.
Matopos approached him. Because Matopos, he quickly forgets about everything. The moment he was let go, then he forgot about the whole experience. So he went to Mark again. And Mark was like, you know what? This time I'm going to be even more smart. I'm going to make it look as if you have committed suicide. Knowing very well that rhinos can't swim, he was like, come, let's play Matopos. And then he started pushing Matopos straight into the water. And fortunately, blessing that other guy, saw Mark like splashing water in this, like, what is he doing there? Then he went to check, and he saw Matopos almost fully submerged, gasping for air. But Mark just like, let's go. No one will ever know, it's just you and me. And it will be so quick. As soon as you put your nose in the water, everything will be quiet, it will be peaceful, you won't even feel any pain. And Blessing's like, yay! That's when Mark stopped. So that is the story of Matopos. So he was just like that.
He stopped and the rhino went.
Yeah, then he stopped, then the rhino came out.
Good.
And then all of a sudden, we got a call from National Parks. Like I said, that the rhinos belong to the Zimbabwean government. That is, they were bringing 4 white rhinos here. 1 male and 3 females. That male is called Bear. 3 females, Ella, Victoria, and Mwezi. Ella is got a...
We are here making joy packages for the women of Zimbabwe and this local community.
So Makadini is, so you're meeting someone for the first time. In Shona to say, how are you? You say Makadini. And you ladies, you clap your hands like this. So you're going to say Makadini.
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 Okay, so this is the bag of joy. We decided to call it the bag of joy because we saw the joy that was on the girls' faces when we were giving this bag. So it comprises of the towel, 1 towel, 1 panty, because some of the ladies do not have panties at all. So we decided to include a panty. We also include 2 pads, 2 holders. When I say 2 pads, 2 holders, the pad itself, we designed it in such a way that it's got a pad inside, and then the holder just to hold the pad in position. So the pad itself is flannel material. This is something like this. Then it's double. Then we fold it into 3 to form a more absorbent surface. So it comes into the pad holder. The pad holder, if you hold it, you can feel there is waterproof material in between the 2 layers of fabric. So to prevent leakage. So it comes in here like this. This is Teddy. She's always a nemesis. Oh, Teddy. It's tough. So when the girl wears it, she can either wear the panty first, it's up to her, or she can put the pad first on the panty, it's up to her. So it will come like this. The presters are there to hold it in position. Maybe this one was not an already made pad. It was not finished, I think. So this comes and the wings and the poppers hold the paint in position. So she can actually wear it throughout the day. She can wear it, or she can change. If she's a heavy bleeder, she can change. During the afternoon, we have a facility where we give the girls buckets so that they can wash up if it comes as an emergency. They can wash up and go back to lessons. So this is how it will look like.
Oh wait, no, I was going to say Wellington t-shirt, but I'm going to owe you like your Chanel.
Now you watch that.
So that guy who is wearing a mask is the dancer, the main chief dancer. Yeah, I think he's the dancer.
This is an elephant eating from a tree. They're such beautiful, gentle creatures.
They should peel right down, then it's done. Now it's drying up.
Hello everyone, it is our last full day at camp.
Right, you sound surprised.
I was like, say hi to the vlog.
Our last game drive.
Yes. You're sad, but it's going to be a good one.
This opportunity to Atlanta, right? Exactly. Rhinos are not outside of my neighborhood.
We shall never forget beautiful Zimbabwe, beautiful Imire, Frontier we shall